PBS 1971 Logo Bloopers. Cut. Why is the logo in Spanish? It's supposed to be in English. Take 2.
Cue the PBS 1971 logo.
Cut. This is not PMS. This is PBS. Well, anyway, the music should not be slowing down. It's supposed to be normal. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Take 3. Cut. This is not, like I said, music shouldn't be slowing down. And this is not Public Cartoon Network service. This is PBS, the Public Broadcasting Service. And Cartoon Network, get out of here. Oops, I'm very sorry about that. We'll have to wait for Cartoon Network to leave the studio. Once we do that, let's have another shot. Take 4. Cut. For the love of everything, stop slowing down the music. And this is not PVS. Whatever the heck it's called, the Public Viacom Service. It's supposed to be PBS. You know what I'm talking about, the Public Broadcasting Service. And Viacom of Doom is not supposed to be here. He's supposed to get out of the studio. Sorry. Alright, let's take 6, sorry. Cut. You are not supposed to be a remake version. It's supposed to be PBS, the Public Broadcast Service. And you're not supposed to remake it by using KineMaster. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's have another shot. Take 7. Cut. Where's the music? Why is it just showing a picture? And why did B, and S swap colors? And why did P, B, and S swap colors? P is supposed to be blue, not green. B is supposed to be orange, not blue. And S is supposed to be green, not orange. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's have another shot. Take 8. Cut. Why is P-head facing the wrong way? Oops, sorry about that. I just wanted to show everybody, so everybody can look at my new look and see how cool I am and how smart I am. I wanted everyone to like me. Yeah, you are a good person, P-head, but you're not supposed to face the wrong direction. You're supposed to face the right direction. Oops, sorry. That's good. Take 9. Cut. Wait, Public Broadcasting Saskatchewan? What is Saskatchewan? Well, I just made that up. Do you like it? No, it's not supposed to be. It's not supposed to say Saskatchewan. It's supposed to say service, not Saskatchewan. Oops, sorry about that. I'm giving you one last chance, but if you screw this up, we're done. That's it. P-Ed, B, and S, you guys are fired, and I'm done. Get out of the studio right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Or peace out. You're supposed to say the outro like the normal person, not just at GTV. Say your intro now. Oh, be quiet.